Good morning, everyone. Sorry for the delay. We'll head straight into the class today. If you are hearing me, please raise your hand. And you not see me. See if you're hearing me, please raise your hand. Okay. All right. Uh, so, um, about yesterday, sorry I couldn't give the assignment. There was a lot of things. I was occupied with a lot of things. But I hope all of you remember what I taught you guys yesterday. If you still remember, please raise up your hand. Let's start with an interactive session. Okay. To do. Can't be only them. Who else? Okay, okay. Okay, since most of you remember, some of you remember what I taught yesterday, I can you start and summarize what we learned yesterday for us, or what you learned yesterday? Can
So yesterday
I,
we learned about the HTML, which means hypertext markup language, and he told us that is the structure of a website. And he told us CSS is to add designs and Java is to add modules. So yesterday we learned about the different functions in HTML. We used Code AI. So you mentioned some different functions for us, and we did the thing.
Yeah. And did what? Oh, you've tried
Uh,
to.
and
Okay.
we wrote different words and how to use the different functions.
Okay, thank you. Can you tell me what some of these functions were and how and what they are used for?
H1 H1 means heading one. H2 H2 used it means heading two. So paragraph, this is used to create a new line of code. Then um then the em function is used to italicize the selected word. We also learned about OL, which means
Okay.
ordered list, and UL, which means ordered list. So he told us how to use them in different situations. He told us when we can use it.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Means you learned a lot yesterday. That's good. You can mute yourself now. So, Lou, Jan has been up. Would you like to say something, please? Would you like to summarize what you learned today?
Yes, sir. Yesterday I learned about the different types of
Okay.
headers, which are the H1, the H2, the H3, the H4. And one unique thing about them is that the lower the number is after the H, the smaller the size of the letter is. or the character. And I also learned about P, which is the paragraph, which will like show the paragraph on the website. I learned about the two types of listing, which is the ordered listing and the ordered listing. I learned about I learned about the function, which would italicize a sentence or a statement. I learned about the mark function, which would highlight a word or a sentence.
Okay, that's really good. That's really good. Thank you. Is there anyone else? I saw some hands up when I asked who understood what we did yesterday. So, if you understood what I taught yesterday, can you please raise up your hand? Okay, Rikichi, can you tell can you tell me what we did yesterday? Explain it in your own words.
I learned about HTML. I learned that HTML is the structure of the website, while CSS adds beauty and JavaScript adds the behavior of the website. I learned about the BR tag that and it is used
Okay,
to it is used to
so
and when you want to write something in another line. I also learned about the two types of lists, ordered list and unordered list.
that's good. Is that all I done? Things is done. Okay, and you're up. Your hand has been up for a while.
Okay. So, so yesterday we basically talked about HTML, which stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Um, what I learned yesterday is that when you're using HTML, that exclamation mark doc type dot HTML tells the browser that you're using a modern that using a modern HTML, and that inside has the less dot sign and then slash, and then whatever the function is, and then greater than sign. That I learned about mark that you can use mark to highlight text, and also learned about the break function, which if you put it within that if you put it in a line of code, that it breaks the line. If it breaks what you said and takes it to the next line. I also learned about different types of lists, ordered lists and unordered lists. I also learned that when you're listing them, that you have to use li every time for each new item on the list. I also learned about I forgot what it's called, emphasize. Emphasize. I think emphasize is what it does is to italicize the text that is within its opening and closing tag.
Deacon,
So, so
can't
I
really
was
hear you.
done. Huh? I'm done.
Deacon,
Yes, sir,
are
I'm
you still?
done.
I couldn't hear you after.
Oh, yeah.
You
Well,
were talking about emphasize. You were talking about emphasize. I couldn't hear you from there.
I was talking about what?
The emphasize tag, EN tag. So can you continue from
Okay,
there? I couldn't hear
emphasize.
you
I
for a
learned that
while.
emphasize that it italicizes the text within its opening and closing tag, and that's all. That's all I learned yesterday.
Okay. Okay. That's good. That's good. It's really good. Okay. Anyone else? I'm blessed. Persuade. Did any of you learn anything yesterday? And if you did, are you able to
Oh, so
tell
I
us what
already
you
said
learned?
mine.
You said yours? Okay, I
Yeah.
spoke to you earlier. That's true. Is there anyone else? Can't be only those four or five that learned something yesterday. If you learned something yesterday from what I saw yesterday, can you please raise up your hand? Besides those that are already spoken. Okay. First week, go on. First week, you raised up your hand.
Sorry, I learned about the break break element that it comes in between when you put it comes in between wherever you want to break to enter a new line. I also learned about the emphasis and the mark. I learned the difference between emphasis and mark. The mark is just for one paragraph, but emphasis, if you do not close it, it goes through the whole website.
Um, First week, I couldn't hear you at the end. What saying?
I said I learned about the break elements that it comes in between a sentence and breaks it to the next line. I also learned about the emphasis and mark, the difference between emphasis and mark elements, that the emphasis make, make the sentences to be in italics. And if you do not close it, it goes through the whole website. But for mark, it highlights the sentences and it is for only a paragraph. Hello?
Okay, thank you. That's that's really good. Thank you. Taking me your hand also. You like to say something?
Yes, sir.
Okay, go on.
So I learned that HTML is means hypertext markup language, and it is used to create the structure or context of web pages. I learned important HTML concepts. I learned important HTML concepts. They are P, that's paragraph, and P is paragraph,
Page one is the headline. IMG is images, and that's all.
Okay, thank you for that. Thank you for that. That's really. I'm blessed. Did you say something? I'm blessed. Before we get easily your hands up, would you like to say something?
Yes, so I learned that other lists are used for bullet points and other lists are used for numbers. And HTML is hypertext markup language. So they are used to make a coding idea.
Excellent. So, is anyone else that has not said anything? I've not heard from Christine and the rest of you. I'm blessed. I can't remember. Did you say something? Oh, we are having network issues. Oh, almost like okay, I've seen Richard. He learns, but on other this is bullet point. Other this is that's good. Okay, so for today, let me ask, were any of you able to download PSP to Visual Studio Code? But if you were, just raise up your hand. Really, none of you were able to download Visual Studio. Okay, but someone told me this yesterday. So what happened? I'm not getting any feedback. Can you guys hear me?
I can't hear you.
You can't hear
Summit,
me.
Summit, I can't hear
Yes.
you.
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
No, sir.
Yes.
Okay, let's so if you can't hear me now, please press up.
So I can't hear. So I can't hear.
Okay, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
If you can hear me, just raise up your hands.
I can hear you, sir.
If you can, just raise up your hands. Okay. So I asked if any of you were able to download VS Code yesterday.
Yes, I was able.
No.
If you were, this was okay. If you were able to download, raise up.
Money, please.
If not, if you were, since most of you were able to download it. So you can put on your hand, put on your hand. Then you can put down your hand.
What?
Hey, did you just say it was requesting for
It
payment?
was requesting for payment. Are you sure? Are you sure it's the right one? Are you sure it's the right one? Okay. Um, I hope I'm audible because I haven't seen that. So, hope you guys are hearing me well.
To stay here because it's having me to. It's in the board. It's the board. It's having meeting with people. Okay. You forgot. You say you have meeting with people. Okay. The new people. The people that came for your birthday. Those three.
Okay. Please, I hope I'm Can you guys hear me? Like,
So I can't view your screen.
you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me at all? If you can raise up your hand.
I can hear you.
Okay, you can hear me. Okay, you guys are hearing me now. That's good. Okay. Well, is it just these four that are hearing me? Can anybody else hear me?
I can hear you, but I can't view your screen.
Okay.
Your screen, I'm not seeing it.
I can hear you,
Yeah,
but I cannot sing too.
hold up, I'll share my screen now. Okay. Can you guys see my screen? You guys can see my screen. Oh, okay. There's a lot of network issues over here, so sorry for that.
But I still can't see your screen, too.
So I can see you.
You can see?
No, I can't.
Oh, okay, that's a problem. Okay, let's do this instead. Can all of you go to your code.air, like quickly, because I'm having some network issues here and I don't want to keep the class, and I want to keep the class busy. So can you guys go to your code.air? You guys are hearing me, right?
Please, what did you say?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I said go to your code.ai and enter your web lab. I want to keep the class busy because there's a lot of network issues over here. You understand me? Are you guys there?
Yes, sir, we are here, but we can't see your screen, sir.
Oh, can't see my screen.
Yes, I think almost everybody here can see your screen.
I can't see your screen.
Okay, give me a second. Well, like I said, you guys should go to your code.ai. Are you all there?
Yes, sir, we are there.
Yes, your web lab. Are you? Okay. If you're at your web lab, please raise up your hands and make sure so I can give you guys something to do. Okay. Need some more people to need some more people to get there. Okay. All right. So for those that are already there, you can remember what you did yesterday, right?
So I'm not seeing your screen.
Leave my screen for now. I'm working on that. I'm asking you for those that are on those that are in code.ai in your web lab. You can remember what you did yesterday, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what you guys could do for me to keep you guys busy? You create a very simple web page about yourself. Okay. So here's what it to contain: the heading, the heading. Choose any heading of your choice. There should be at least three headings.
Sir,
Any
you
one of
said
your
I was
choice, your likes, your dislikes.
okay. We should make 3 headings. Sir?
Yeah, I said you should make three headings. You know what, Safi? I said you should make three headings.
Okay.
Can you guys? Okay, so it should be about yourself. Honestly, any of them, anything you want to add about yourself on the three headings, do that. Each heading should contain a paragraph, a list, and those elements I taught you yesterday.
Sir, please, how long do you have for this assignment?
To create
Yes,
the
sir.
heading, to create the web page. Okay, I'm going to give you guys uh I'm going to give you guys 10 to 12 minutes. It shouldn't really take up to that. It shouldn't take that long. So, or just for the sake of those that may come later, 10 minutes.
Sir, please, can we use on other days?
You can use any list.
Okay, sir. Thanks, sir.
Okay. So when you're done, I'll tell each of you to share your screen and you explain what you did. Is that all right?
Okay, sir.
Okay. For those of you that's raising your hand, do you have questions?
No.
Okay. Okay. The community, do you have a question? And most already have a question.
So please can you repeat the the task again?
Okay. The task is that you go to your code.ai. Can you hear me?
Yes,
Persuade. Can you hear me?
yes, I can.
Okay. The task is you go to your code.ai, enter your web lab like we did yesterday.
Yes.
I'm going to create a simple web page about yourself. It should contain at least three headers. It can be anything you want. But each header should contain a paragraph, a list, and all the elements I told you yesterday.
Okay. Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you. You're welcome. That's a very simple task. Taking your hands you up.
Sir, I
Okay.
have a request, sir. Sir,
So what's the request? Is it you?
my code.org, I noticed that for now I'm unable to load my preview. So I want to ask if I can. Okay, it's working. It's working now, sir. Thank you, sir. It just popped up now.
You're welcome. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Hello everyone. Are you done with your assignment?
We almost done.
I'm almost done.
Can you hear me? Are you done with your assignment?
No, ma, almost done.
Yeah, almost done.
If you're done with your assignment, just signify with the sticker. No one is talking.
I'm done, but it's saying that sharing is unable by my teacher.
Please, whoever that spoke should just repeat again. I did not hear you. What did you say?
I said that I am done, but it said that sharing is disabled by my teacher.
Ma, I'm done.
Okay, you guys should just hold up a little bit. We're having network issues here. The instructor will get back on the call. If you're not done with the assignment yet, just keep on doing it.
Okay, ma.
Okay, guys, can you hear me? Sorry for the if you can hear me, please signify anything at all. Can you guys please signify if you are hearing me? Onik, okay. I mean, I told Onik, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. I told them to I told them to go to their code.ai as KodeHauz sent here. I told them to go to their code.ai and create a simple web page about themselves. It should contain three headers, a paragraph in each header, a list in each header, and all of the elements and tags I told them yesterday. Can you hear me? You understand this time? Do you understand the assignments?
Yes, sir, I do.
Okay. For those of you that say 10 minutes, are you guys not done?
So I'm done.
You're done?
Sir, which
Yes,
assignment?
sir.
Give me like
Christine,
3 more minutes or 5 minutes. I have to. I mean, I might said head. I have to do something.
5 more minutes for those of you that I asked earlier. Did you ask a question?
Sir, which assignment?
Okay. I told everybody to go to their code.ai and create a simple
Sir,
web
please,
page
which
about themselves.
assignment?
Oh my God. Okay, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to type it in the chat. You see it there, and you'd work on your web page. Okay, for those of you who still don't know the assignment program, I've written it on chat, so you can go check it out there.
So I don't have code the AI in the device I'm using.
Do you have an account?
Yes. Isn't it code.org? I'm using a laptop and I've not seen it.
For those of you that have finished your work, please keep the file. Just raise your hands up and keep them like that.
So,
For those of you that have finished, please raise your hands up and keep them like that. I'll get to you soon. Okay, okay. Sorry for the sorry for how the class is going today. I think it's because of the rain. And Deacon, wow, okay. And Deacon, I saw yours. So you're going to here's what's going to happen. We're going to start with you. Can you hear me? And Deacon, can you hear me? Can any of you hear me?
Yes, sorry, I hear you. It's very loud and
Okay, I
clear.
understand. You're going to share your screen.
Oh, me? Okay.
Yeah, we're starting with you. Then we'll
Okay.
get to Tolu. Then the rest of you guys.
Oh. I'm sharing my screen right now.
Okay. Wow. This is this is really nice. All right. Talk to us about what you did.
So this isn't actually about me. It's about another guy named Adwikan somewhere else that I don't know him personally. But I've heard stories about this so-called Anglican guy that I heard that he's a very unstable human being. But 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 the things he has done are very very absurd. So he has done a lot of things that aren't meant to be done. Like for example, he broke into an asylum and burned it to the ground. And asylum is where like people go when there's like war and all those things. So like when there's war and bombing. So it means that when his country or when his state were getting bombed, people went to the asylum to get shelter. But he went there and burnt the asylum down. So um so he has a very high threat level. His behavior could be unsettling. He had disconnected thoughts. He spoke in strange languages. He seemed convinced of things that clearly weren't happening. And then he reacted somehow to various situations. And then he had a very, very terrible track record where he was kept in solitary confinement when he was kept in solitary confinement when he was 6 years old. But there was a reason why he was kept in solitary confinement. But I can't tell you the reason because the reason was very, very bad for a 6-year-old. And then he was sent to juvie, which is like like a children prison when he was 7. He had his birthday in prison. And then when he was now 8, he also led a prison breakout when he was 8. So my advice to anyone who encounters this Anglican guy is to run. The advice is to run. If he wants to get you, he will definitely get you. You're not getting away, no matter what you do.
Oh wow.
He also had
That's
very, very strange hobbies. Oh, he had very, very strange hobbies. He often played football and he was insanely good. He didn't have that much friends because of his track record. So
You very smart, yeah? Open your mic now and say
so this and
Sam.
and the,
Yes, I
so
know. I know. Very stupid.
so
I
this
don't need too many people talking. I don't need too many people talking. I'll mute everyone.
this pretty
And
much
they
is
can
this
go on.
and stuff. I should hold on.
Go on, go on, go on.
Okay, so that's pretty much everything. See, you said that we should apply every single thing that you taught us. So I the only thing I forgot to apply was that mark. That was the I think it was no mark. Emphasize. I forgot to use the emphasize, but pretty much everything I used. I used H1, yeah. I used H2. I used unordered list. I used an ordered list. I used a break in this Anglican. This published by Anglican and time published. I used a break twice. I also used H2. I also used P paragraph. So that's pretty much all. Please, no copyright allow, terms and conditions apply. Thank you.
Yeah, you can. Okay, okay. You can stop sharing your screen. That's good. That's good. That's really good. Next up, we're going to be Ilwani David, starting with you and we're hopping on to you. So can you share your screen?
Okay, sir. Let me share my screen. Can you see my screen, sir?
It's sharing. Hold on. Okay, I can see your screen. All right. What is your webpage about?
In my webpage is literally just like a composition about myself. I'm trying to sorry. I'm trying
Just keep going, keep going.
Yes. So you can see my screen, sir.
Yeah, I can see your screen. It's all right.
You said we should use everything you taught us, but I was actually looking for where I'll use the EM and mark function, but I didn't really find the place in the course of the time. So this is what I did, sir.
Oh, you know about images.
Yes, sir.
All right. That's good. That's really good. So, tell me about your webpage and everything you use in it.
Okay. The web page, it says my name, it says what I like, what I don't like. Like I'm interested. I like technology. I'm a huge fan of football. In fact, I'm a Chelsea fan. I'm a Ronaldo fan. And I like music. And I like music, especially UK drill. So this is some I like. I like coding. I like gaming. I love gaming, but I love gaming. I love gaming football. I love Free Fire. I love Call of Duty. I love Minecraft because it gives me an interface that I build and reason and create things. I love football. I'm a Chelsea fan. I'm a huge CR7 fan, and also I love Michael Olise. Because of the way he behaves, he's nonchalant. I like it. And I also like UK drills. I like anime. I like anime like Black Clover, Jujutsu Kaisen. Um, I like Naruto. I like One Piece, and many other. I love musicians like Lawrence Oyor, Jamaiki, Pure Juice, Great Man Takit, Rema, Charlie Poppy, Gaze Baba, Ira Star. And I actually love experimenting things, creating new things, and trying things extraordinary. And this guy is another role model.
Okay. Yeah. So you're a Chelsea fan. You're
Yes,
another
sir.
fan. God is with us. So I'm a Chelsea fan as well. So and a Ronaldo fan. So, but let's leave that for now. Can you tell me what you did? What elements and tags you added on your webpage?
Okay, I added the H1 elements, which is this about me. This is the H1. This is a paragraph, the P. This is an H2. This is a list. This is a paragraph. This is listing the unordered listing. This is also a paragraph, and this is an H3, and this is a paragraph. I actually wanted to put the italicizing and the mark, but I was actually thinking of where I'll put it before I spoke.
Anyway would have been fine. I just wanted to say that you knew how to do it.
So, sir?
You would have put it anyway. That would have been fine, but it's okay.
Oh,
This is fine. And you can behave yourself. But this is fine.
thank you.
Okay, you can start sharing your screen.
Okay, let me stop sharing.
You guys are arguing about Mr. Ronaldo in my comments. Don't let me get to you. Okay, who's next? Ekemini, can you share your screen and tell us what you did? Before that, Christine, I see you on this call.
Yes, sir.
Christine, I see you. Are you following up with what they're doing?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. Ekemini, we're waiting for you. Okay, tell us about your webpage. Ekemini.
Well, she said she can't talk to you on her iPad, so she use my mic. I talk to you while she use her iPad to explain.
So, sir,
All of them
I
in the same
wrote
place?
about football.
Okay.
I wrote why I like football, the things I like about football, and my favorite player.
Or tell me what your webpage is. Just tell me about it. Then you tell me the elements you use in it.
About my work career.
Ekemini. I can't hear you. I can't hear you.
I wrote the reasons I like football because football is one of the most popular sports in the world.
Okay. Okay. Let's take time. Can you tell us
That's what
what
I'm doing.
elements
That's what I'm doing.
what elements and tags you used?
I use my paragraph.
I
I
want to play
use
Awara.
Can
I
you?
use HT. I use
Toluwani, please, your mic is
H2, my
on.
paragraph, H1, everything.
Okay. Seems like there's some communication issues, but thank you for that. You can use yourself on. Okay, Akan, you're up next. Share your screen and tell us what you did.
Okay, sir. Easy. Okay. So try to see my screen.
No, okay, I can see it now.
Okay,
What?
so sir,
What?
this is my
I thought this webpage was supposed to be I thought it was supposed to be about yourself. What am I seeing?
so oh, wait, something about yourself.
No, yeah, but this since you've already done it, it's fine. Just explain your webpage to me and
Oh,
then we'll talk about the
okay.
elements later.
So um I use the H1 function to give me this heading, and the U function. After last part, I went online and found out more. more functions. So I use this underline function to underline my work,
Yes, please.
and I use the paragraph to write this. And then I need to put this in emphasis first 1,000 people. So I put the mark here and here.
All right.
So I also
So,
use the heading one sign again and the underlining sign to underline this.
okay.
I also use
Okay.
the on ordered list to do this. I use the EM to italicize my work.
Okay, that's good.
So I use
Is that all you use?
the H to put out this that notification. No, I use H2 to write the thing. I would have used paragraph, but I thought paragraph would be too small. So I put H2. Then I use H1 for my work and now underline this. So
Boss. Um, I can.
yes, sir.
Can you mute yourself and talk to me about what your web page contains, not the tags anymore?
So I use the code. I use
Okay.
the H1 function to put the heading, and I used underline to underline my work. Then I use this paragraph to write this out, and then I use the mark function to highlight the main idea, like this first 1,000. In case someone did not notice the first 1,000, the person will now notice it. And I use the H1 function to write this breaking news, and then I now underlined it. Then I use the paragraph function to write this out. And then I use the on order list, and yeah, and use the on order list to write John Paul and class, and the EM to italicize my work. Then the death notification, I use the H1 to write and then use new functions to underline my work. And I wanted to use P for the thing on that, but I thought P would be too small, so I used HP. Then I now wrote it.
Okay. You told me that already. I was asking what to tell me what your web page is about.
Mr. Sabi, what is it?
Yeah, I know you told me all of the elements you tried to use. I was just asking to tell me what your web page is about.
Oh, okay, so it's about a cookie face of like it's for 10 minutes we go home the prize money. Then a bank go work last night around 1 a.m. and then the suspect seemed to be arrested by the police. children poor and class. Then, in the course of this, Mr. Wake went out for an expedition overseas, but he fell over the bridge. Although rescuers tried to save him, he still drowned. Then his burial will be at St. Patrick's Church in Ikoket.
Okay. Okay. That's good. All right. Before you stop sharing your screen out, is there any other person? Because Solo, did you say something? Okay, I'll get to your chat later. But the rest of you that went in the attempts to do this stuff, besides those that have already spoken about their refugees, and the rest of you, oh, okay, can the rest of you raise up your hands? Those who have completed it, besides those that have already spoken. It's just how much that's done it. Okay, okay. Masayo, you can share your screen now. You can stop sharing yours. Masayo, I'm waiting for you. You're up.
It's not letting me share my screen. Hello?
Oh,
It's not letting me share my screen.
what did you say?
It's not letting me share my screen.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it's not letting you share your screen. Um, that's a problem. But that's alright. That's alright. So, okay, okay. For those of you that have done your projects, that have done the
I can share it
little
now.
assignment I gave. Oh, you can share it now. Okay, do that. All right.
Can you see?
Yeah, you can go to your. Okay.
I think I need all of the elements and tags you taught us about yesterday. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Hello? I used the H1 paragraph mark,
I can hear you.
H2.
Okay. Hello. You're not speaking anymore.
I think I used all of the tags you taught us about yesterday. I used the list, the ordered list, and the unordered list.
Okay. Alright. I can see you did well. You did well. You did well.
Okay.
You can stop sharing. blessed your hand was up. Are you ready to share your screen and follow today? I'm blessed. Your hand was up. Are you ready to share us your screen? I'm waiting for you. Well, seems like you're not able to. So, for those of you that did the project, I'm happy you did it. You know, in the Canon account, both of you all love play too much. But yeah, you guys did well. I'm happy that I can went and you went and searched up some more tags that you could use. And that's something I'd like everybody to be doing. That even after classes, you go and make some researches on your own to come and share with the class. But you guys did well. I am sorry for the issues we had today. So how I was working 2 days ago. I think they really messed with the network over here. So couldn't really couldn't really use my laptop to show you guys the VS Code. But bless your camera is on. Okay, It, it's still on. Let's just turn off the video. Okay. Okay. Just share your screen with your and turn off your video. Anyway, so, as I was saying, I am sorry with the fact that my laptop wasn't cooperating with us today. I would have liked to show you some new things on VS Code that we use to start as CSS tomorrow. So let me ask you guys a question. Would you like me to do that tomorrow before CSS or do a separate class later in the day to show you how to use VS Code and the little things you need? Can you guys hear me?
Yes, sir, we can hear you.
You can hear me.
Sir, can you see my screen?
Yeah, I can see your screen.
Okay. Oh, you're not really doing what, sir. Can you hear me?
Okay, I can see what you did. This is I can hear you and I can see what you did.
Okay.
So
I did not do much. I
what are
didn't
the
do much.
elements you used?
I just use
What?
the emphasis tag. I use the H1, H2, and the H3, and I use the emphasis tag. And I also
Okay.
use the underscore list. That's all.
Alright. That's fine. That's fine. You can still share your screen. That's fine.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so can any of you hear me? I want to talk about something. If you can hear me and you're on this call, not playing Roblox or any other thing, can you kindly raise up your hands? Let me know. Okay, 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 okay. You can't be only three of them on this call right now. The rest of you, if you're on the call, please raise up your hand. If you're hearing me, that is. Kelly, Pathway, and the rest. Need also be to come. Unique, me. So, Christine, can you hear me? Yes, it does.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can hear me. All right. Okay, I was talking about something else. First of all, apologizing for the fact that my last person today, but I'd like to show you a lot. I was really hoping to show you a lot today before tomorrow's CSS. So I asked, would you like me to do the class before I teach you CSS tomorrow, or do you have to use VS Code and little things today? All right. Drop down your hands now. Here's what I'm going to do. If you want me to do a separate class today, teach you how to use VS Code and some little elements that you need for tomorrow. Raise up, keep your hands up. If not, drop them down.
Sorry, sir, can you hear me?
I didn't get you, sir.
Yeah, I can hear you.
I said I didn't get you.
Okay.
Sir, the thing is that the VS we are talking about, I don't really know if you can maybe
Yeah.
screenshots and please WhatsApp group so I will know the particular one to download.
Okay. I will do that.
Okay,
I'll do
thanks, sir.
that. Okay. Yeah, I'll do that after this call now. So you didn't hear me. What I said is, would you like me to do a to on how to as a on how to use VS Code and the extra element I was going to show you to do.
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you'd like me to do it, please raise up your hands. Do you all get the question? Okay. Did you all get the question?
So I think here is that everyone is silent.
You are not talking.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Guys, you are not talking, okay? I don't hear you again.
Okay, can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir, we can hear you loud and clear.
Okay. I was asking if you guys want to get separate class on VS Code, how to use it, and the sections and the elements you will need for tomorrow's class. If you guys wanted me to do that today, later today, or you wanted me to show you everything before CSS tomorrow, which will take time.
Yeah, we could do it later today.
Who is that? Follow me to yourself. Okay. For those of you who heard me, I was saying if I want to do a separate class of HTML using VS Code today.
Okay.
If you want me to do that, please raise up your hand. If majority does not say anything, I'll take it tomorrow. Okay then. Looks like I'll take that tomorrow because yes, let's go. So I don't think there's anything else for us to do today as a lot of business incorporating. I will drop I will drop some announcements on the group concerning what I said today. So please do also look at it. For those who are asking for those who are asking about VS Code, I would show you what to do and the right one to download today.
I'm sorry, that will be
So
when.
I'll probably do that. That'll be when. I think I've made after this call, I'll post a poll on the group with different times. I want it to see when most of you will be available and ready for me to do that. Do you understand?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So
Sorry,
that
I
being
had
said
some
and done, I
network.
think that he has some network issues. Don't worry, I'm going to say all of this again on the group. So don't don't worry yourselves. I'll just ask you here to see who is responding. Please, all of that here, do also respond to the poll I'll send later. I think I can end the meeting today. Sorry for the way the class was. There was a lot of network issues, but we'll fix all of that before tomorrow. Is that all right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Tulani, please stop shouting.
Okay. So,
Ledger.
okay. All right. Thank you for coming. You guys can go now.
Thank you, sir. Please, sir, one boy here. Sir, I want this boy.